Hey, number one. Ew, a dead squirrel. Where are we?
Oh my god, a dead squirrel. Poor squirrel.
I think it's dead.
Don't kick stuff at it!
I didn't know if it was dead.
Of course it's dead. It's not moving and we're this close to it.
Could be just asleep.
Here, maybe. It fell out of the tree.
Oh, poor squirrel.
At least it out of its eyes. Hey, 3. I dare you to touch it.
Ew, no, they're filled with the diseases. Nice.
I have no respect for the dead. That's not right.
Well, he's in a graveyard.
That's not respect. Come on, let's go up here.
Okay,
Even if
well,
they're dead, you shouldn't mess
no,
with them.
Come over here.
Guess where we are?
A graveyard.
OMG, number one was just upside down. Okay, let's keep walking until we get to the park. Why? We just came from there. Why? Cause why?
I'm here. I'm gonna visit somebody.
Oh.
Moya?
Shut up.
You shut up. You don't have any respect for anyone. You need to learn to have some.
I wanted to see if the squirrel is still alive. And besides, it's a squirrel. It's cute, even though it's dead. Okay, we'll talk to you later. At the park.